In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox infinite loading screen in the late game for POE 2. Unfortunately, this is a very common error that's been happening to people playing on Xbox, and unfortunately, there isn't an easy way to fix this as of yet. It needs to be patched. So what do? You need to log in from the PC client. Yes, you need to log in from the PC client. I don't know what happens to people who didn't buy both versions. Then you need to access the stuck character and then town portal from the trials to the ziggurat encampment and then exit the game. And then after you have done that, you've logged out completely, log back in with the Xbox client and see if that fixes the issue. Unfortunately, this is the only way I have found that works for me to fix this problem. I hope they patch this out, and I hope you all on Xbox will get treated better in the future. But if this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.